Ready to unlock the power of personalized business communication directly within WhatsApp? Let's dive into setting up your very own Aisensy account. First, head over to the Aisensy website and click on the Sign Up button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address, create a secure password, and fill in your basic business details. Once your account is created, you'll be redirected to the Aisensy dashboard. Navigate to the settings menu usually found in the sidebar to customize your profile. Next, it's time to connect to the WhatsApp API. You'll need to obtain API credentials from WhatsApp Business within Aisensy. Paste your API key and associate your WhatsApp Business phone number. Now, let's integrate. Explore the integrations section and connect your favorite CRM, e-commerce platform, or marketing automation tools to streamline your communication workflows. This allows you to send personalized messages based on customer data. Finally, configure your personalized communication. Use Aisensy's intuitive interface to create automated message sequences, design chatbots, and personalize your WhatsApp conversations. And that's it. You're now ready to start connecting with your customers on a whole new level with Aisensy.